all, Bridget Bartlett here. Today I am super excited to show you this new tool that I've been using to create short form videos from long form. Now, I actually used to hire someone on Fiverr to do this for me, but I was actually paying for about 7 short form videos every week, and I was paying about $75. And so this new tool actually makes this so much faster and easier for me to do myself than it was to even communicate and submit the videos to this person that I was paying to do this. Okay, so this AI tool completely replaced the freelancer that I was using. Okay, so um, one of the things that you can do with this tool, okay, that make it so incredible is not only are you able to take your long form videos and chop them up, actually have AI do it for you, but you're able to turn this into a service that you can provide for, on Fiverr, like I'm showing you here, or you can just simply provide it privately to your clients. Okay, so this is an incredibly valuable service. If you're creating long form video, you definitely need to be creating short form, but I understand you probably don't have the time. You're probably like me, you're either outsourcing it or you think it's just going to take, it's just too much. So I'm going to show you really how to do this so simply. Okay, so you can scroll through here and see kind of the prices and the packages. Like, for example, if I just chose this one here, it's basically let's see what's in the package. It doesn't tell specifically. Let's see, compare packages. So you can see running time 15 minutes. Now, typically my videos are an hour, so I would have to use this package. So that would be $150 a week that I would pay if I chose this gig to cut down that 60-minute video. Okay, so that's a lot of money, right? But you can actually use Vidyo.ai. Now, I am not an affiliate of this tool, okay? There's actually a member of our program, Maria. This video is actually for you because I have applied to become an affiliate, but of course I'm always transparent with you guys. I am not approved yet, but Maria is crushing it with her videos, and I care more about providing this training and this value to show her how she can turn that into short form video, that I'm not too worried about the affiliate commission. Okay, but you can go right now to vidyo.ai.com, and if I get approved as an affiliate, the link will be somewhere around this video. Okay, but right now all you need to do is go to vidyo.ai. Okay, this is how you spell it. Now you can create a free account, okay? If I click here, let's see if it shows us. Okay, it's actually showing me inside here, but you can see the plans. So you get free plan for 75 minutes for an upload, okay? So that would be 75 minutes of video that you're using. You also have the yearly plan, which you could get Pro for $18 or Pro Plus for $30. The main difference is the amount of minutes that you have available, okay? So, and also, of course, for the paid plans, there are a little bit more features like creating your brand kit. So what's really cool is you're going to upload your video or import it, all right? Now, keep in mind, you can import any YouTube video link. So if there's a podcast or maybe a church sermon or something like that that you wanted to create a short form video from, or multiple short form videos that you could then brand, you can actually do that. Now, I do want to preface this by saying make sure to, there is Fair Use Act. So there are, certain criteria that fall under that Fair Use Act. So make sure that you're not, stealing anybody's content, you're following all the copyright laws, okay? But for the Fair Use Act, you can take little clips of videos and you can, rebrand them, make them, not really rebrand them, but you can kind of, use them in your content, okay? So once you select that, and of course you can upload a video, and it says MP4, MP, or M4V, MOV, and WebM, okay? So you can, let's just say if I wanted to grab my own video, like let's just take this one here, and I wanted to copy this, and we'll close that out. I could go back here and then just simply paste that in there, choose my language, and eliminate that. It says YouTube imports may be inconsistent due to occasional issues with YouTube's server. Okay. We recommend direct video uploads. That was the next thing I was going to say. I actually recommend the direct video uploads as well, just because it depends on where the video was streamed from. It can be less quality. Okay, so you can see what I have been doing is actually with my Zoom videos. You can see I've uploaded this one here. What I'm doing is actually changing it to speaker view. You can see Miss Maria here. And when I pull in the video, what happens is I tell it, what size video I want. Okay. And then it will generate all of these chapters for me. Now, previously with any of the other tools, I would have to upload the video, and then I would have to manually go through and try to find clips that made sense to keep it under 60 seconds. Now, the reason I say under 60 seconds is because that's what is the length when you're uploading to like YouTube Shorts. And, you can have like longer videos for Facebook Reels or TikTok, but if you're trying to just do this one time for all the different platforms, you want to keep it under 60 seconds. What I love about this is it actually creates the chapters in a horizontal view here. So this would be great for YouTube, and I can actually go over here and check out my transcript. I can change the templates if I want to. So there are tons of templates here. You probably want to start with a template and then customize it. And then, of course, if you're on one of the paid plans, you can save that as your own template. Okay. Now you also have the ability to add an AI description. So it's going to pull in the context of that video, and then it's going to generate the description that you can paste into your social media platform, for example, TikTok. So I love how it generates the hashtags for you and the emojis and all of that in there. Okay, so of course you could do that for YouTube Shorts and Instagram and so on. Now, it also, if you wanted to edit this clip here, all you'd have to do is click to edit, and then you can add more customization. Okay, so we have our basic clip here, and of course we can change any of the templates. So let's say that I liked this one better. I can just simply choose that. Of course, I could go through each of these things and edit. I could use what they call cut magic, which will, you can see the differences here. It'll basically follow appropriately the speaker so that it's not showing. This was another problem I had with a lot of these AI tools. I just, before video, I was feeling like it really didn't save me that much time because I was having to go back and edit things. But especially like for our live Q&A, when there's multiple people in the meeting, it gets really confusing. But I love how it will, it's smart enough to choose that. So I could enable cut magic if I wanted to do that. And you see here, it actually showed like both people in the scene instead of just one. Okay. And that was also an issue here. So I love this. This is like such a time saver. Now, in addition to that, of course, another thing that was such a time-consuming task was the captions. Okay, so with this, and of course, this is all built in for your template. Whatever styles that you choose, whatever you decide to change this to. Of course, you can add and customize the font here as well. So there's different styles that you can choose from. You can change the effects and the colors and all of that. You can even click here and change the margin and padding and radius. So there's so many customizations that you can do here. But again, what's really cool is when you have the template function, you're able to set all of these, and you don't have to do this every single time, right? You just choose all of the captions that you like and the styles and all of that. And then you just simply click here to save as a template. And then you can use that template every single time you do a video. So this will be so much faster and easier. You can also add a progress bar here. That's really popular on TikTok. People like to see how long. It's also kind of engaging, especially if you're running paid ads. People can see it's not that long of a video. They're maybe more likely to go ahead and watch. You also can add your logo here, and of course you can add your brand kit. I'll show you that in just a second. Add all of your social media icons and so on. You can add an outro. The outro you can of course add from your brand kit, or you can add from different stock videos, and these are really cool for encouraging someone to subscribe, or the end screens from your YouTube videos. You also have the media section here, so you can upload your own media. You can also use any of the images here or the videos. You also also have some audio files as well. You can add different text to the videos, and you can even change the style there. You also can select and customize the background. So you can even choose the background from your brand kit or stock backgrounds as well. And then you can have AI generate the description. Okay, so many things that you can do there. Now, when you download the video, you're going to see here that you can download in 720p, or if you're on the pro version, you can download in 1080p. Okay, so of course you need to make sure that your video is at least in 1080p to be able to download it in that. Okay. Now, when I go back here to the home page, you're going to see that I have all of my videos here that I've uploaded. And if I go to downloads, you'll see all of the videos that I've downloaded. Okay. Now, I can click here to edit. If I'm on the pro version, you can edit downloaded videos. If you are not, you will not be able to edit once it's downloaded. There's nothing that you can do about that. So, of course, you can download the video again here, and then you can delete the video here. If you wanted to share the video, this is really cool. You can actually connect your social media platforms, and you can generate the AI here. I actually am going to since all of my videos are really cut down from a long form, what I do here is I type in, for the full length version, or the full length video, and then I share the link. Okay. So, that's just what so I don't really want to generate that. But if you did want to have the AI generate that description, you have the ability to do that really simply, and then you just publish to TikTok. Okay. You can choose all of your platform specific options here. Like, if you manually upload to TikTok, it'll ask you, do you want to allow the user to comment and all of that? So that makes it really simple. And then, of course, you have this option here for Facebook and Instagram and so on. Now, you can see here, if you click this little symbol here, it says only 25 posts are allowed per day. Okay. Now, you can see why they would add this disclaimer here. How often do you really see that where it says you can only add 25 posts? And I am, when there's a disclaimer like this lets you know that people were exceeding that. And that is why they had to add this here. They were exceeding that so often that it was causing an issue that they needed to tell people. So this tells you really how much content you're able to massively create so quickly. Like, really, we have no reason to not create short form video, right? You're either taking clips from other people's videos, or you're taking clips from your own videos and you're generating content. Okay. So you can just toggle over and quickly, this is honestly the first thing I've ever found that will actually allow you to publish to YouTube Shorts as well. Okay. Typically I have to create the video, and then I have to add it to a file on my Google Drive and on my phone, and then I will upload to YouTube Shorts. And that's just typically how I've done it. But of course, that's another manual task that adds just a few minutes to our day. And so if we can just automate this by quickly creating this, quickly posting this, we could even schedule the post. So you could literally generate your entire month's worth of shorts from your previous months of long form content, or just fresh, if that's what you want to do. And you could schedule it out all month and have a massive amount of content without ever actually having to do anything. Okay, so this is what we want to do when we're trying to save time and money. We're trying to use these tools, and very inexpensive tools, right? You could even use the free plan, very inexpensive tools to help us to automate these processes so that we can spend time doing the income generating things, right? This is basically like you're running ads, except you're not paying for ad spend, you're paying with your time, and you're paying for the tool. Okay. But obviously the tool is going to get you a great return on your investment, because if you were to pay someone $18 a month, I mean, you would never get content, right? You're never going to be able to find someone who's going to generate all of this content here for $18 a month. Right. So anyway, I hope you guys really find some value in this. This is such a great tool. It's really going to save me so much time. I am definitely not great with my short form game because I create tutorials, but in our weekly Q&A session, we have such great community members and so much value that's being shared there. I just could not stop myself from creating these shorts from that to share that value with other people. So go ahead and create your free account at Vidyo.ai.com. I look forward to hearing about all of the ways that this tool is saving you time and money. Thank you all so much for joining me, and I will see you tomorrow, same time, same place. Go make your vision a reality. Bye. Thank you so much for joining us for today's training. If you have any questions, you can join us for open office hours starting right now at BridgetBartlett.com. It's free and open to everyone, so I'll